Uploaded. Tata's on what computer?
Live camera action is on. I gotta shoot this. I just came back from the post office dropping off a bunch of letters. Kind of show you, and I'll end up putting them on there. Some of our letters when we're sending them out directly to the bureaus. What's going on, Zakish? You okay, buddy? Every time I'm shooting or I'm doing something, my baby wakes up, my little 3-year-old start crying. I got noise in the background. It's never a perfect setting, right? But I just have to give this, I had to shoot this. So, just coming back from the post office here at my little home office. You know, we got all these certified mail receipts. We got hundreds of clients that we send these things out for. You know, so, you know, you got the credit bureaus, they got 30 days to respond. And with this coronavirus and everything taking place, we don't know who's going to be at the bureaus, who's going to be intercepting our disputes. But if they not there, they got to take that off according to the RCA, according to the Federal Fair Credit Reporting Act. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Because look, this little guy is going nuts. He just don't care. But I'll come back in there. That's my little home office. And it's going to get dark around here. But here's what happens. All right. So I want to let you guys know. And this is kind of like a freestyle. No script, any of that. Excuse the darkness right now. But so here's what happens, right? Sit here in my little kitchen right here. What happens is, oh, they left the little, all these cabinets open. All right, so what happens is, if they don't respond within the 30 days, right, there's a follow-up letter that we can send out. And this follow-up letter is going to have a lot more aggressive language about them failure to respond to our dispute. Whereas legally speaking, the credit bureaus, collection companies, creditors, they're supposed to respond to any kind of correspondence that they receive from a consumer by mail within a 30-day period. And these are like FCRA rules. So we're very, very particular, or we're very, sincere about making sure that they adhere to the rules and regulations, just like they make sure that you adhere to paying your bills on time, so to speak, before they turn off your lights or whatever else they might do, right? So we're going to enforce the law, and behind the scenes, we got attorneys, we got paralegals that help draft things up, and we will enforce the law if they don't do what they're supposed to do legally. Okay, so just want to put this out here, right? Now is a great time to capitalize off of what's going on, especially with this coronavirus thing. What is it called? Endemic, epic? I keep forgetting what it's called. Endemic or epidemic, right? The Dow is down, the market is down, right? Things are going down. The economy is the way it is. People are tightening up. We know food is scarce, or what's happening is, you go in any of these stores, you can't get, what you want. The fact that you can't get what you want, you're trying to buy stuff, right? So we got to take advantage and position ourselves. We want to make sure that we're credit worthy to be able to, to take advantage of these interest rates when they're real low, because it's going to help with the market, right? Whether we're trying to buy real estate, which we do, right, as a business on the side. Well, actually, our credit repair business is on the side, but primarily, I've been buying and sell real estate for over 16 years now. So we're going to take advantage of it. I encourage our clients to take advantage of it. Majority of our clients are coming into doing their credit repair because either they're trying to qualify for business loans, or they're trying to qualify for credit cards, or they're trying to qualify for personal loans, or even real estate loans, right? In either case, we kind of help facilitate all those. Just like we help people acquire corporate credit, we have the ability to add not just trade lines to personal credit reports, but we have the ability to add primary trade lines for business credit. And then in return, you're able to get business credit, or should I say business loans for your startup business or your existing business. So if you're interested in more information on that, you can always reach out to us. I'll make sure that in the description below the video, you'll have, an email, phone number, and things that you can reach out to our office. And with that being said, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell. That way you're alerted anytime we're shooting any kind of video. So again, in the description area, you'll have all the information that you need to reach out to us, right? So to kind of get back to why I got kind of excited about shooting this video in the first place, it's a good time to do, credit repair. If you looking for a company that is inexpensive but provides a great value of credit repair services, we are that company. Robbins Improve Yourself Consulting.com is one of our sites. You can also go to robinfixmycreditnow.com and then fixandbuildyourcreditnow.com. So we have, those three primary websites where, yes, we have a flat fee. In the market, people talk about credit sweeps. We call it a legal credit adjustment because we adhere to the law and we're going to enforce the law when we do our credit repair. Of course, we have our own methods. The letter submissions to the creditors or to the credit bureaus or to collection companies. I think that's a common practice. You got a lot of companies out there that do it. Like one real popular company is Lexington Law Firm. They've been doing it for years, but they have this 2-year process, right? So we try to limit that, that process. A lot of our clients are interested in acquiring a mortgage, right? They ain't got a year to do that. Some say, oh, I'm not in a rush. So in that case, we have a monthly subscription for you, right? We can give you a monthly subscription. And if you're not in a rush, yes, we can do it for over a 6-month period, over a year period. I would tell you like this. We don't charge no more than $1,200 for credit repair. If you think about it, a client can come to us and pay, $100 down or $149 down, $100 a month. And they can do it for a 6-month to, a year process. In the end, it will not exceed, $1,200. Majority of our clients are in and out of our program with the credit repair within 90 days, in some cases 90 business days. And those are clients that are paying, the monthly subscription plan. Again, you can start with as little as $149, pay $100 a month. If we need to do some type of special arrangements to pay $100 down and $100 a month, we can do that as well. The key thing is making sure that you do something about it and you get your credit where it's supposed to be at. That way you can take advantage of the market. That way you can position yourself to live a better life on your terms. You can't get the best of rates, you can't get the credit cards, you can't get the leverage if you don't have good credit. So we're highly we highly recommend as a company that you acquire great credit to position yourself financially, because having great credit is all part of it. Credit is king in this world. And so you want to make sure that you have it to take advantage of the market right now and in the near future, okay? Because the market is going to change a little bit more, right? So I encourage you guys to fix your credit. And to take it a step further, we don't just have a monthly subscription available for you. We have a flat fee service as well. Again, we don't charge no more than $1,200. So if somebody wanted to pay us $1,200, they can do that, right? If somebody wanted to pay us in 2 or 3 payments, they can do that as well. We're real transparent when it comes down to the cost of our credit repair services. from a social standpoint, we're helping you eliminate debt, right? You can get rid of all your debt that's on your credit reports legally. You have a lot of debt consolidation companies out there, right? And we can do that as well. We can help you with the debt consolidation, negotiate for you with creditors, and with the credit. I don't want to say the credit bureaus, but with the creditors or with these collection companies, and help you get to where you need to be. But we never encourage anyone to pay any kind of collection or any kind of charge off. We just don't recommend it, especially if they've already charged it to the game. So we have our own special affidavits, which is something I wanted to mention before I start rambling. We have our own special affidavits that we can use. Let's say if somebody's been a victim of identity theft, right? There's rules and regulations on how to get these items from your credit report if you've been a victim of identity theft, or if you see collection companies that you have no relationship with, or creditors on your credit report that you have no awareness of who they are. You have no contractual agreements with them. There's methods, there's affidavits in place that we can enforce for you on your behalf. While you're out taking care of your family, you're surviving, or working, if you will, at least you have someone who can be an advocate for you. So I just wanted to put that out there, that we have that. It's all available for you. I'll make sure in the description that you have some links that allows you to do it real inexpensively, right? We have a 27-day course that you can take, right? And this is like a newsletter, should I say, a newsletter course that kind of gives you tips and tricks on how to repair and improve your credit. This way you can, boost your credit scores up to 300 points if you follow those tips, if you will. In addition to that, we have an ebook that we sell for under $30 that kind of gives you a step-by-step system on how to improve your credit within 7 business days. So that's available. And of course, at that RobinFixMyCreditNow.com or FixAndBuildYourCreditNow.com, we have the monthly subscription plan that's available. So I just want to put this all out there, that's available for you. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us. I just needed to share this with you guys. Again, we're going to continue to shoot videos like this once or twice a week, if not more. And that way we can give you a heads up and insight on what's happening with the market, what's happening with the credit repair industry. Again, on another division, we're doing the real estate. We're helping people acquire business loans, business credit, all that. Whether you're trying to get $50,000, $100,000, we're in a position to help you. And so that's why we put this credit repair and these different methods in place to help you to eliminate debt and to position yourself to take advantage of the market. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and share this. Sorry for it being 13 minutes, and excuse the little guy a little bit earlier, but I just had to let you guys have this, and I want to share this with you. So please be sure to like, subscribe, make sure you hit the alert button, and please feel free to leave your comments below, and we'll make sure that we reply to you within 24 to 48 hours. You should hear a lot from me being the face of the company. I'm Robin with Robin's Improve Yourself Consultant. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. I look forward to helping you and your family on your business endeavors moving forward. Thanks so much, and you guys take care and stay safe, stay clean, sanitation, right, as everyone is saying. Stay out of the way. Until next time, you guys stay up. In a minute.